Brad Goodfellow with Warren Industries, and just wanted to show you some new semi-hidden kits for even applications even of Subaru. The modern vehicles definitely a lot more aerodynamic in the front, a lot of good-looking plastic fascia that we don't want to redesign. So Warren's come out with semi-hidden kits that basically replace just the vulnerable part of the bumper. Nice trim line here, follows the natural contours of the grille, replaces the plastic center part here with a good heavy-duty winch mount. In particular on the Subaru here, we've got a bolt-on grille guard tube that you can mount lights on, gives you some additional grille protection, but also mounts up to a 6,000-pound winch. So also in this little kit here, we've got our brand new hub wireless app. So hardwires into the winch, all plug-and-play design. This particular model is our Axon 5500. It's our large UTV winch. But as you can see, nice feedback and instantaneous response. So drops right out, power out, power in. Little warning line there. You notice as the battery voltage dropped, the app actually warned you that, hey, slow down a little bit, let the alternator catch up a little bit there. So on the Axon, we actually get load from the motor, and we also get temperature. So the Axon is a CAN bus available. The Axon is doing a CAN bus output from the Motactor. Super high technology. We can set winch stops in here. Truck winches obviously will monitor battery voltage only at this point, but Axon is an awesome little winch. So in addition to the Subaru, this semi-hidden concept we've got for Colorado, for Tundra, for Tacoma, for 4Runner, and many more applications to come. The new Warren VR Evo Series winch, great standard duty winch. It is the perfect winch for the occasional four-wheeler, the 1 to 2 vehicle excursion, using it once or twice a year. You get the Warren reliability at a aggressive price point. New for the Evo is 100% waterproof, IP68 rated. Still has the Warren 7-year electrical and lifetime mechanical warranty. You do get the Albright contactor, which makes the reliability through the roof. Easy to operate sliding ring gear clutch, makes it a very easy to operate winch, and then in a great looking case. And don't forget to think about Warren for all your mounting and bumper needs as well, from brand new Tacomas and 4Runners and Colorados to full line of Jeep bumpers and full-size truck bumpers. Warren is definitely more than a winch company. For more information, hit warren.com or contact your local off-road retailer.